Here's another video from 2025 SHOT Show. And one of the things I like about going to SHOT Show is I get to see some old friends. And we're here at Midwest Industries booth with Tyler. We're going to talk about a couple of new products they've got coming out, which I like. I think you're going to like. That's what's coming up next year on Survival on Purpose. Survival on Purpose's coverage of the SHOT Show is sponsored by Hog Holsters, helping Americans wear guns, and Excess Sights, the fastest sights in any light. Hog Holsters and Excess Sights, both proudly made in the USA. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. As I said, I'm here with Tyler from Midwest Industries, and you know I love me some Midwest Industries. I've got my Midwest Industries AR went through Thunder Ranch fighting rifle, urban fighting rifle with no problems. Went through fighting rifle and tactical response. It's been thousands and thousands of rounds through it, zero issues, and it's rock solid. These guys make great gear. They're really famous for their accessories. All kinds of stuff. Today we got some new stuff to show you. Now I'm gonna stop rambling and let Tyler take it away. So, what's going on?
Yeah, absolutely. It's good to have me here. It's good to have you. And we got some cool new stuff coming for 2025. This is our new MP5 SD rail. It takes the traditional look of the MP5 SD but modernizes it. So it goes over the top of a suppressor, M-LOK all the way down. You got a rail space on top. This one's for the K model, but we also make it for the full-size MP5. I'm pretty stoked about these. They're going over really well so far. We also have a whole new line of stocks. So this is one of the versions that we're coming out with. We have a blade version as well as an actual stock version. Polymer cheek piece. The stock version has a rubber butt pad. And then we got a new triangle version as well. So we have a few different versions of that stuff coming. Everything's got 1913 folders on them or adapters on them nowadays. So it's a good addition to most different platforms out there.
It's a folding stock, by the way.
Yep, folding stock. Yep, folding stock. And they'll fold left or right, however you configure it. Got some other stuff on this platform as well. We got our 1913 end plates that go on K versions as well as full-size MP5s and our different configurations of top rails. So MP5s are hot, so we're really diving into it hard this year.
And so you can also put these, they're not just for MP5s, so they're for anything that's got a space on back you can put a rail on.
Yeah, anything with a rail on the back you can put our stocks on, which is
like
nice.
A lot of AKs, a lot of different. So I know you got Google because you're watching this. I really encourage you to look up Midwest Industries. Go check them out. They make great stuff, 100% solid. All their things that go bang are crafted individually, start to finish, by craftsmen. They're not made on an assembly line by a bunch of machines and robots, and they're put together with like flawless workmanship. So if I sound like a fanboy, it's because I are one.
Hey, we appreciate it.
yeah, man. So, well, thanks, Tyler, for taking time in this busy,
Thanks for stopping
show.
by.
Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. Get you some of that Midwest love. See you next time.